Hi, John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 1965 Chevrolet Impala convertible SS409 made by Brooklin exclusively for the 143rd and Automobilia show in Chicago, October 2021. Now, this is a familiar model. You've seen some of my reviews on it. You know it's one of my favorite designs of the 60s. I think General Motors just hit a knockout home run on this one here. And Jeff has been working with Brooklin to come up with a special show model. Now, Jeff's the organizer of the 143rd Automobilia show. This was the second annual one. Jeff's been working on a new line of models, of white metal models, called Second City. Their first model will be a 1959 Ford Galaxie station wagon. We've got prototypes here, not quite ready for prime time. It still needs some work, but we're pretty excited about it because it promises to be very highly detailed. And Jeff wanted to come up with something special as a show model, so he worked closely with Brooklin to bring about the show's first exclusive model. And he incorporated some improvements, and I think that really kind of brought the model up to a different level of detail. So let's put it on the turntable here, and we'll take a look at it. The color is Artesian Turquoise Poly, and I got to tell you something, Brooklin nailed the color on this one. It is just beautiful, and it is factory correct. There's a more detailed grille on this version. He got rally wheels on there. Now, they weren't standard for 65, but there were a lot of cars that had them on the streets back then, and I think they're definitely an improvement over the other wheel covers. Brooklin did a really nice job of detailing these rally wheels. It's got dual antennas. It's got lensing in the headlights up front, and it looks fantastic. It's got accurate and detailed SS409 badging. It's even got a little cooler and a tripod in the back seat. So obviously the car is owned by a photographer. He's ready to go out on a photography shoot. There's a numbered plate on the base, and probably the nicest thing about this is it has the top up and top down feature. The top up feature even has a rear view mirror on it. So the model, they're very limited production. There were only 50 of them made. Most of them were pre-ordered. Jeff still has a few left over. Sell for $250 plus postage. Highly detailed model. I think if you like the 65 Chevy, you're going to love this model. If you have some of Brooklin and others, this is going to be a nice addition to your collection. So you can contact Jeff at secondcitymotors@gmail.com. Hey, it's a great model. I think you'll like it too. Thanks for tuning in. This is my take on Brooklin's 1965 Impala convertible SS409 made for the 143rd and Automobilia show.